Unongelam ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ubadeiru Menteri ka Sarkar MDA uba Alexander Lalu Hai Kulong baga BJP ka Bu Hakmat banyakun persya yakikam bamsap kumbala simrai kerpang daga BJP Meghalaya hau nopra baladep habakren mendagasngi uba Hai Kulong banrat dengkong ya ka bamsap kadai ka Hakmat jong ka BJP la kalong ha ka Sarkar ne sabar na ka Sarkar Dakaba Hakmat ke jengmentoy nagamenta gipatba. Hakabayday bar ke jengbeteng jong ke BJP banra ya ke bamsap persya ya ke Sarkar MDA wat hadin balarai haka coordination committee banra ya tai shwa haka MDA nakalyang ubahe kulong ba ombaro kimat banra haka coordination committee. Ulong ba ke BJP ke pedang ya baro kirai haka MDA coordination committee Henry Kamut banchus ngapjar tang namar baga BJP ga don lang haka Sarkar dakaba ulaong ba omla bankang ya kinu ki party lada kim so ya hap ya kanu bat ka Sarkar kala banle ya ka ga badon kam kumju kiseng sain perthai tang ba kam dei pat pan kta ya ka Sarkar ka bai troilang habakli shusho ulaong palada don kanu ke jing keno persya ya ka Sarkar de bondon rengkat ru bat kisaki ki bapiang
Bahak, in the month of December, the state unit of BJP has taken up a resolution regarding this zero tolerance against corruption. Will they also take up the issue regarding this?
That is the core issue of the BJP.
So with the central leadership, will they discuss?
Of course, they have to. This is the main agenda of the BJP.
And since we have seen that they have been targeting this state government in this regard, so when it comes to corruption, will they also discuss about it?
Anything which is against anybody also, whether in the government or non-government, anything has to fight for the cause of the people. The public cause is priority.
But earlier you told us that as far as MDA government is concerned, your party BJP will only raise in consultation with you, so that the same will be taken up in the coordination committee. But then now it seems that your party keep on raising this issue from their end.
Say that we have to any agenda we have to raise. Party has every right to raise, which is against the public interest.
No. Recently only you told us that any decision or any matter...
Not all the decision. There's some decision which is to raise anything against any personal. For the general issue, they don't need to discuss in the coordination committee. All the political parties in the alliance, they can raise any issue which is for the public interest. That's all only I told. The cause of the government means they cannot go against anything which is not proper allegation. It has to be proper. We'll discuss with the national leaders
Backed by
with
two.
all the issues, development issues, the educational issues, security issues, ILP issues, MRSSA issues, all the issues. And also the finance issues which the state is required. BJP from the beginning was only as the zero tolerance of corruption. So that is the main issue of the BJP. I'm not saying the BJP is not satisfied, the BJP is fully satisfied. But always we have to make sometime the alertment. We have to alert our own government also. Not just because we are in the government, if the BJP MLA or BJP minister are doing wrong, they will keep quiet. No, they should not keep quiet. See, I'm telling you, what the government has to do has to be done by the government. What the party has to be done has to be done by the parties. Not only BJP, even the NPP, they are free to do it. Even the HSPDP, the coalition partners, anybody. If you want to take up any issue, how we can stop anybody? But it cannot be at the cost of the government. We are the alliance partner. Corruption to who will you be the corruption? In church also they don't allow us. When we go to church, you will tell us, hey, don't do this. This is wrong. So that is even even you also, you are telling your own relative or friend, children, don't do wrong. So not doing wrong is not we are making any allegations.